You go to a workshop, they either try to upsell you on a massive replacement bill or say, yeah, we can look at it. But there's a massive catch they aren't telling you. When high-end suspension like KW starts leaking or knocking, it can be really stressful. Rebuilding a KW coilover isn't a standard DIY job. KW engineering relies on incredibly tight German tolerances. Without the exact factory spec, a standard rebuild completely throws off the valving. You lose that signature KW ride quality, and worse, your car becomes unpredictable at high speeds. A bad rebuild means inconsistent grip and poor handling. It turns a premium suspension into a safety hazard. One wrong seal or incorrect tolerance and the car dives under braking or gets twitchy in the wet. That's not uncomfortable, that's just dangerous. To get it done right, Autoclinic is the right place for you. Our technical specialist in Singapore is certified directly by KW Germany for our rebuilds. They work straight from German factory blueprints. Plus, they have invested heavily in the real deal. Clean room assembly, so no contaminants get in, pressure testing equipment to verify every seal, and a shock dyno to prove your suspension is back to brand new performance before it ever touches your car. You get factory spec damping, no guesswork. Don't risk your safety or trial and error fixes. A cheap rebuild that fails will cost you more in the long run. Do it once, do it right. Book an appointment with Autoclinic and get your KW restored to factory perfection. Your car and your peace of mind will thank you on the long run.